Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are good. I hope everything's fine on your side. And guys, today we have another facade video. There's this picture that I recently saw and the picture was from France. There's a museum in France which is called the Musée Park Alesia. I think that's how it's pronounced, right? But guys, look at how cool and nice that facade is. Just look at this. Excuse me. Look at how beautiful this is. So today we are going to be making something like that inside Revit. All right, that's the project for today. And although this is circular, but for video purposes, I think I'm just going to go for a simple rectangular structure because the system is going to overload a lot. And in this case, for example, as you guys can see, there are a total of 1, 2, and 3 floors. Although there's even a 4th floor hiding below. So, but we'll start from here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the first floor, which is going to be 4 meters. So this is 1 and a 2 and a 1 meter. Okay, that's the first floor covered. Then we have 1.5 meters and 1.5 meters. And but this part right here, I don't think okay, so we'll make this 1 meter, and this can be 2 meters, and this can be 1 meter again. And after that we have this part which is 1 meter and 3 meter, right? So we are going to be making something like that inside Revit today, right? That's the project for today. So I started my architectural template. Now I'm going to speed up. All right, I wasted so much time talking. So architectural template, I press UN, I changed it to millimeters. So let's simply go to floors. All right, let's grab a rectangle and let's just paste it. No big deal. So let's set the size to 10,000 and by 10,000, 10 meters is so small. 15,000, it's in millimeters, right? And 15,000 and this one we can we can even make it 5,000, right? No big deal. So okay, now that is pasted, let's quickly go to the south, not north, the south. In fact, it's the same thing. So let's grab on that. Let's change this to 4,000. It means 4 meters. Now let's press AR and let's rise it above. Let's again write 4,000, and now let's just write 3. Done. All right, so we have made a total of 4 floors. 1, 2, and in fact 3. We do not even need the 4th one. All right, let's just delete the 4th one. So now let's copy that, control and C. Okay, if you don't want, okay, fine, control and C, copy to the clipboard, align to selected levels and paste it on 2 and 3. So for example, if we check this image out, 1 and 2 and 3, these are the 3 floors that we are going to be making. Now let's go to 3D, close all in active view. So this is what we have until now. So the first thing is the internal, the normal mullion wall, right? That's no big deal. I mean the normal the curtain wall that we have inside. So that is what is that? That's the storefront, and it is going to be from 1st floor to level 3. All right, no big deal, nothing special. And now it's just pasted from this point to this point. Finished. If you go to a 3D view, it this pops out a little bit. So if we grab on that and if you press MV, so 1 and a 2, and now check this out. If you go back, so we've inserted it in. All right, so that the task number 1 is done. Okay, and okay, fine, this is perfect. Why am I confusing this? Okay, so the first thing is done. Now it's now it's time to make our own Mullion, our own storefront wall. All right, we are going to be using the the concept is linked on storefront. So for example, if you go to edit and duplicate, so this is going to be the wooden facade, Alesia. All right, the wooden facade Alesia. And the distance, we can change it to 1,000. This can be in fact 2,000. Okay, and so the first thing is this part right here. So this is 1 meters, 2 meters, and 1 meters. Excuse me. 1 meters. Oh my God, I'm coughing again. 1 meters, 2 meters, and 1 meters. Okay. So let me the first this is facade, right? This is going to be the 1 meter one. Okay, and fine. Now let's go again to that. So this is going to be unconnected and 1 meters. Fine. And let's just go right here, paste it from this point to right here. And as I said, we can make our structural we can make it circular, right? But for the moment, let's just leave it. So now for example, if you go to realistic, now the thing we have to do is Okay, so let's click on that and let's press HI, which is isolate. And now, let's click on one of these mullions, all right? So for example, if we click on that and now right click and select everything within our view, all right, not in the entire project. Otherwise, even the unhidden ones are gonna change. We do not want to change that. So this is the rectangular mullion that, okay, so now we go to edit, duplicate, and this is gonna be the wooden mullion, all right? So this is a wooden mullion, that the one that we duplicated. Now let's go to materials, WOOD, wood, come on. So we need a good nice material of wood, and I like this reddish wood right here. Yes, this is nice. Okay, this is nice, and this is even nicer. Okay, no more time wasting. So mahogany, I think that's how it's pronounced. So fine, everything is fine, right? So we have changed our mullions to, check this out. So we have, in a way, this is going to be the design. So the first thing is, let's go to edit, and this is our wooden facade, right, the one that we designed. So for the glazing, we do not need that. Empty. For the joint connection, let's go in vertical and vertical continuous, all right, and apply. And for this, I think let's go to 300, apply. And 300 is too much. Let's go to 5. Okay, apply. Let's go adjust and adjust. And this one, let's go for 1000. And right here, let's go for wooden mullions, right? So all of them, let's change that. Let's quickly change it to wooden mullions. Come on, wooden mullions, and wooden. And the spelling of wooden and mullions is wrong, I just realized. Okay, so now once we click on that, and this is the angle, right? So 45. And there are going to be a few elements there, and check this out. So we have, in a way, we have already made our first one. And although we can go to right here and we can go to 450, much better. So check this out. So our first one is, in a way, already complete, right? And there are okay, fine, how about I stop talking for a bit and we continue. So this is the first one, or this is the first one, right? Now let's simply click on that. Let's go to our front, and you know what, let's even go to HI. Let's go to CO. Let's grab it by this point, and let's turn off constraints, and let's grab that by that point. Okay, so this one is gonna start as far as this one is concerned. So this is 1 meters. This is going to be it starts from level 1, and the base offset is 1, and the unconnected height of that is 2 meters. Apply, and yes, fine, a few elements are going to be deleted, so that is perfect. Now if we grab on that, the bottom one, and if you go to CO again, and we turn off constraint, and if you paste that. Okay, now if you go back to our image, so this is the right and left. So this one is this is gonna be minus 45. Yes, fine, a few elements are gonna be deleted. And how about minus 65? Fine. Yes, that's perfect, there's nothing wrong with that. And how about 400? Okay, and minus 50. And now this is fine. We are going to fix these small spaces. So if this is minus 50, 45, okay, and even this one we have to give it a minus 50, and this one is going to be plus 50. And so guys, I think we have already made our first one, isn't it? And there are two coming on this side, so it means that all right, how about we go to tab, and how about we select on that, and we go to edit type, and the distance of that can be we want it after every 2 meters. Perfect, check this out. So and there are going to be these small spaces left out. So if you go to wooden mullion, and we just place a mullion right here, and yes, so guys, check this out. Our floor number 1 is already complete, right? Check this out. This is the reference image we have, and that was that. And there are a few mullions missing in between. It's there's nothing confusing about this. It's just individually selecting a few mullions, for example right here, and okay, that is the same, that is the same, and for example right here, and right here, and in this case let's go to right here, and let's go to right here, and then you unpin it. Once you unpin it, you press delete, and check this out. So, and again, if there are these small spaces, that's fine, we can individually fix that. Okay, perfect, and one right here. All right, and check this out, guys. So our first floor is already covered, right? Look at how easy it is. For example, if you press HR, and if we go to our hidden lines, and let's try to improve our look a little bit. Slow edges, shadows, okay, both of them activated, and sketchy lines, okay, let's enable sketchy lines depth hue. Lightning, this is going to be the top left, I think that's the right direction, and let's go to, this is only going to activate once we, okay, gradient, and for example if you go to realistic, and if you go to photographic, okay. So check this out, guys. Our first floor mullion is complete. Look at our facade, and look at the reference that we have. So it's nothing hard, and these are the small missing spaces that we see in that. Now you know, the second floor, so the first floor is complete, and okay, the first floor is complete. Now the second floor is so you know, this is the second floor. All right, in this case, this is, of course, it is 3 meters, and this is 1.5 and 2.5, right? 1.5 and 2.5. So let's grab this, and okay, let's grab this. In fact, you know, let's just grab that. Let's go to our front view, and let's go to HI, which means isolate. So CO and constraint and not multiple, okay, we just want one for the moment, and we just paste it above. Okay, so now this is gonna be, what is this gonna be? This is gonna be 1.5 meters. For example, if you go to image, yes, this is 1.5, and that is 2.5, total of 4. So the base of that is level 0, and level 2, I mean, this is going to be 1.5. Yes, delete, and check this out, that is done. And now the other one is 2.5. so CO, and just you know, let's go to hidden is always better. And for example, if we grab that, come on, okay, the system is checked. Now copy, and turn off constraints, click on that, and so the first one is 2.5. I'm saying that again and again, oh my god. And the second one is the first one is 1.5, and the second one is a 2500. So 1.5 plus 2.5 and 4 meters. So we have in a way completed our second floor. Let's go to HI, and that is our second floor. So check this out, and it's so easy, it's nothing hard. So for the second floor, this one is going towards the left, and the above one is going towards the right. So for this one is going to go towards the left, and the above one is going towards the right. Okay, there are going to be a few elements that are deleted. And check this out, guys. Even our second floor is completed. Now let's quickly complete the third floor. So for the third floor, you know, now I think okay, fine. So if we set this to 2 meters and 1 meter, we completed one floor by 4 meters. Now we set this to 1.5, and we set this to we set that to 2.5 meters. You know, I think this one has to be 2 meters. All right, this one, but the floor is completed, but I think they have kind of mixed up the floors in this one. So for example, if we go to okay, this is the one, right? So if we go to 2 meters, no, not 200, 2 meters. Okay, fine. So now this is 1.5, that is 2, and this one, let's again set it to 1.5 and 1, and finally that one. All right, so the above that is gonna be 1.5 and 2. Okay, that's fine. So now that is selected, and CO, turn off constraints, and this is the base point, and there are going to be a few small tips and here and there that we are going to later on fix, so that's no big problem. So this is 1.5 meters, 2 meters, and even let's make this 1.5. all right, otherwise this video is going to be so damn long. So 1.5 meters. Okay, so 1.5 2, 1.5, and then 1. So above that is 1 1 1. Come on. So copy and the constraints, and set that to 1. Okay, so this is gonna be 1000. And now finally the above one is gonna be let's set that to what, to 2 meters again. In fact 2.5 meters, fine. Copy and turn off constraints, and 1 and excuse me, 2, and let's set that to 2000, 20,000. Oh my god, 20 meters in the above the sky. So check this out, guys. Our facade is complete. Now we have to fix. So the top one is towards the left, and so the top one is towards the left, and the bottom is towards the right. Delete elements, fine. A few are gonna get deleted. So bottom, top is left, right, left again, and right again. So this one is gonna be left again, and the bottom is gonna be delete elements, and the bottom is right here is gonna be right again. So minus 50, and okay, so perfect. Check this out. So left and right, and for example, if we check this out, so left, okay, right, and this one is left and right again. Oh my god, I think left, right, and this is left. So 50, and delete elements, fine, and this one is gonna be right, so minus 50, and so left and right, and left and right, and then left. That bottom one right here, which starts from the second floor, and come on, so this is gonna be 50, and yes, okay, I think we are complete, guys. Check this out. This is our facade, right? Exactly the one according to that. And for example, now if you just quickly complete this mullions, and we are in the wooden mullion, the one that we chose. Okay, complete, and complete right here, and complete right here, and complete right here, and complete right here. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this. Check this out. So look at this facade, and look at the reference image that we have used, and in the middle there are a few things missing. For example, right here the space seems a bit big. So unpin and delete. So I mean, now you know you can work with that, right? It's so easy, the space. And there's again a big space right here, which is the third one. So how about we select that, and control, and we select that, and unpin and delete. Check this out. So it's nothing hard, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this. This was the Alesia facade located inside France, right? So have a good day, and bye bye.